Instead of trying to reinvent the idea of smart eyewear from scratch, Meta seems to be quietly refining a formula that's already starting to make sense. The company's partnership with Ray-Ban has proven that people are far more willing to adopt wearable tech when it doesn't look like, well, tech. And now, with a third generation of these smart glasses on the horizon, Meta appears ready to push that concept further, without dramatically changing what already works. If current reports are accurate, the next generation of Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses could be officially unveiled during MetaConnect 2026. Following the pattern of previous releases, availability would likely begin later in 2026, though some regions may not see them until early 2027. That staggered rollout has been typical for Meta's hardware, especially as it fine-tunes supply and regional demand. To understand where this next version is heading, it helps to look at how quickly the product has evolved. Back in 2021, Meta introduced its first attempt at smart eyewear with the Ray-Ban Stories. These glasses focused on simplicity. They featured built-in cameras for quick photos and videos, along with open-ear speakers for listening to audio without blocking the outside world. Importantly, they looked almost identical to regular sunglasses, which made them far more approachable than earlier experimental wearables. 2 years later, Meta significantly stepped things up with the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. This version introduced a sharper 12-megapixel camera and, more importantly, integrated AI capabilities. With built-in voice control powered by Meta AI, users could interact with their glasses in a more natural way, asking questions, capturing moments, or getting information without pulling out a phone. By 2025, Meta expanded the concept even further with the Ray-Ban Meta display glasses. These weren't just an upgrade, they represented a different category altogether. For the first time, a small heads-up display was added, along with a neural wristband designed to enable gesture-based controls. Rather than replacing the existing lineup, these display-equipped glasses were positioned as a more advanced, premium option. That distinction is important because it continues into the expected third generation. Internally, the upcoming models are reportedly being developed under the codenames Apparel and Bellini. Unlike the display-focused version, these new glasses are expected to remain screenless, sticking to the original philosophy of subtle, everyday usability. Two separate designs are likely in development. The Apparel variant is said to lean towards sunglasses, featuring a slightly thicker frame. That extra bulk isn't just for style. It allows space for a larger battery and additional hardware, making it more suitable for extended outdoor use. On the other hand, the Bellini version is expected to target users who need prescription lenses or prefer a more understated look. This model would likely be lighter and more comfortable for all-day indoor wear. Meta's broader strategy seems clear. Keep camera and audio smart glasses separate from display-based ones. While the display models explore futuristic interactions, the screenless versions focus on practicality, comfort, and everyday usefulness. One of the most talked about features rumored for this new generation is something referred to as super sensing. This appears to be an evolution of the current look and ask functionality, but taken much further. Instead of only responding when prompted, the glasses could maintain a level of continuous awareness throughout the day. In theory, that means they might remember where you left your belongings, recall locations you visited, or recognize objects without needing repeated commands. If implemented fully, this could mark a major shift toward more context-aware computing. The glasses might understand your environment in real time, offering information based on what you're seeing rather than what you explicitly ask. There are even suggestions that such systems could eventually recognize people within your field of view, though that capability raises serious ethical questions. And that's where the conversation becomes more complicated. Reports have already surfaced about human reviewers, including contractors in Kenya, analyzing recorded footage to help train Meta's AI systems. While the company maintains that all data is anonymized, some whistleblowers claim that privacy protections like blurring are not always reliable. Adding to the concern, a student project at Harvard demonstrated how similar technology could potentially be used for real-time identity lookup using publicly available data. These developments highlight the growing tension between innovation and privacy.